Oh, hey US, nice to meet you. Hi India, 25% more tariff on you. Hello US. Oh, China, 50% tariff on you. Are but why? Okay, India, you're supporting China. 50% tariff on you too. Huh? Now this looks funny, right? But why is US imposing tariffs on all the other countries left, right, and center? And first of all, what is tariff? Hi, I'm Kirtana and I will be breaking down complex topics in simpler language for you all to understand. So, tariff is a trade tax between the countries. Tariff is imposed on import and export goods and services. Now, take this pen for example. Assume this pen is manufactured in India by an Indian company and this costs 10 rupees in the market. And now there is this pen manufactured in America by an American manufacturer and this costs about, let's say, 8 rupees. Now, if you are given an option between these two pens, which is 10 rupees and 8 rupees, which one are you going to buy? Obviously the 8 rupee pen, and the Indian company is going into the loss. So now to protect the Indian company, the Indian government imposes a tariff of 5 rupees on the American pen and tells the US government that if you want to sell your products in Indian market, you have to pay the tariff. So now the price of this pen, which was originally 8 rupees, has now become 13 rupees and this remained at 10 rupees. And now when you're given an option between these two pens, you'll obviously choose the cheaper one, which is 10 rupees, and hereby saving the Indian industry. So basically, tariff is like a protecting wall which is built to protect Indian farmers, Indian shopkeepers, and Indian industries. Okay, now this sounds valid, sounds like the smart thing to do, sounds right, but here's the real problem. Tariffs are not equal everywhere, and different products have different tariff percentage. For example, farm products might have 20% tariff, and cars might have 40%. Luxury items might have even higher tariff, and it's not the same for every country too. Now, billions of dollars of worth of trade is happening between the countries every single day, and even a small change in tariff means big difference for the exporters, for the farmers, and even for common buyers like us. So tariffs are not just simple taxes. These are complicated rules which decide who wins and who loses in the global trade. Global politics is full of tariff, taxes, and tantrums. So follow me along for the next chapter in this drama. It's going to get really funny.